so I'm gonna marinate this one. Gonna cut this nicely. So there you go. So, kanina ang highway, so I think it's already set. Ooh, look at that. Now it's ready. It's time for lunch. Ooh. Wow. Wow, looks so yummy. Wow, see. Look, oh my god. Wow, it's so
Oh my god.
What? And I cooked this one. It's a chicken. Hot chicken, and here you go. It's a beef. Okay. That's it. Ready for the lunch. We have this here, the cabbage, and there you go. This one I cooked more than 1 hour, and we have this hot chicken and beef, and I love like fresh vegetables. So tam tam, let's eat. It's a fermented soya beans.